everyone, welcome to our tutorial on 1Password. If you're looking for a secure and easy way to manage your passwords, you are in the right place. So in this video, we'll guide you through everything you'll need to know to get started with 1Password, from setting up your account to mastering its features. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by setting up your 1Password account. So just head over to 1password.com, or I have the link in the description down below, and you can use that link also and click on to the get started button right here. So just choose the plan that suits you best. So 1Password offers options for individuals, families, and even teams. So right here you have all of these plans that you can choose from. After selecting your plan, you'll then need to create an account. So just fill in your email, your name, and make sure that you'll create a strong master password. And remember to store this master password securely. So it is the key to all of your other passwords. And it also says right here, when you go through the process, it will say that this is the one password that you need to remember. And also for your protection, they can't reset forgotten password. So again, make sure to store your password securely and safely, and make sure to remember it correctly. Once your account is set up, download and install the 1Password app on your devices. So it is available for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even as a browser extension. So just follow the installation prompts for your specific device, and after downloading or adding 1Password as your browser extension, you'll then be able to import your password. So you'll be prompted to go onto this page right here. So these are all of your options. So for your browser or for different browsers, you have Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, and Brave. But if you cannot see your browser from the options, you'll just need to click onto this section. And also for a different password manager, you'll just need to simply select from these options. And if you have saved your password somewhere else, for example, memorized passwords, pen and paper, spreadsheets, and even S or CSV files. So we just need to select from these options again. So for mine, I'm going with Chrome, and then once I click on to, I'll be able to see these instructions right here. So if I follow these instructions, then I'll be able to import or download my passwords from Google. So after that, click on continue, and this is where I can choose the type of vault that I'm going to use or going to set up in 1Password. So your vault is basically, this is where all of your passwords and sensitive information are stored. So just need to simply select from these options if you have options. But for mine, I already chose personal for the account. So then I have personal here. So click on continue, and now just need to upload your downloaded file where all of your passwords are stored. And after uploading your imported password or saved password, then you'll be able to see all of your accounts on the left side bar of your screen. And if you want to access the information for a specific account, then you'll just need to locate that account, click on it, and then you'll be able to access the information. So you have your username, your password, and the website for that account. So if you want to copy the password, you just need to click onto it, and then a copy password notification will appear on the bottom part of your screen. So if you want it also for the list or for the arrangements of your accounts, you can sort them out by the date they created, date modified, or you can arrange them alphabetically or reverse alphabetically. So if you want to also see them by category, you can do so by going on to this section. Now on the most left side bar of your screen, you'll be able to see different sections also. So you have all of your items, favorites, watchtower. So for the categories, you have the logins and identities. For the tags, you have the date and the starter kit. You have also your archive and the recently deleted section. Now let us go to the watchtower feature. 1Password takes security seriously, and one of the great features is the Watchtower. So, Watchtower monitors your passwords and alerts you to any weak, reused, and even compromised password. So, to access Watchtower, just go again to the left side bar and click onto the Watchtower section. So, here you can see all of the security alerts and take action to improve your security. And sometimes sharing password is necessary, and 1Password makes it secure and easy. So to share a password, select the item that you want to share, click onto the share button, and choose how you want to share it. And you can send a secure link by clicking onto this copy link button, and you can send it to anyone or any person that you want to share your password with. And you can set the expiration for that link and also the availability. Now, if you wanted to edit the information for your account, click onto this edit button. You can change the display name or the name for that account, your username, your password, and you can even add another website and notes if you want to. So if you're already done with all of that, click the save button. You also have these more options right here, which is presented by three dots icon. So click onto it. So if you want to save that account as your favorites, click onto this. You can also move it, duplicate it if you want, copy private link for you even the view sharing history, and you can also archive or delete that account. Now let's look at 1Password as a browser extension. So this is a game changer for autofilling passwords. So once you've installed the extension, you'll see the 1Password icon in your browser toolbar. And when you visit a login page, click onto the icon, and then 1Password will autofill all of your credentials. Don't forget that 1Password is just as powerful on mobile. So just open the app, use your fingerprint or Face ID to unlock it, and you'll have all of your passwords at your fingertip. So the mobile app also supports autofill, making it super convenient to log in on the go. And that's it. You've now learned the basics of 1Password. With these tips, you can manage your passwords securely and efficiently. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.